Imagine a relentless fire in your chest, a sour taste that won't leave, and a constant lump in your throat. This isn't just uncomfortable, it's a pervasive, often debilitating condition known as acid reflux or GERD. Millions suffer, reaching for antacids, believing they have too much acid. But what if everything you thought you knew about acid reflux was wrong? What if the conventional wisdom has led us down a path that actually worsens the problem? Get ready, because today we're diving deep into the hidden causes and revealing 5 powerful, natural secrets that can help you stop acid reflux permanently, reclaiming your digestive peace and freedom. Before we get started, I want to know if you are with me if you are now watching this video. If this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comment section below. If not, type 0. Understanding the betrayal, when your body turns against itself. At its core, acid reflux is a betrayal of your body's natural design. You see, your stomach is a powerhouse, naturally holding incredibly strong acid, a pH between 1 and 3, fiercely acidic. This acid is absolutely essential. It's the first line of defense, breaking down food and obliterating harmful pathogens before they can enter your system. Just above this acidic cauldron, at the bottom of your food pipe, sits a remarkable muscular valve called the LES sphincter. Its job is simple: open to let food in, then squeeze tight, remaining sealed to prevent that potent stomach acid from ever escaping upwards. But here's the shocking truth that most people never realize. For many, acid reflux isn't caused by an excess of stomach acid. Instead, it's often triggered by precisely the opposite: too little acid. When your stomach acid becomes more alkaline, reaching a pH of 4 or higher, that critical LES valve starts to weaken. It becomes limp, failing to close properly after you swallow. This creates an open door, allowing those precious stomach acids and digestive enzymes to slosh upwards, regurgitating into your food pipe and throat. And that's the moment the burning agony begins. This is why reaching for antacids, which neutralize your stomach acid even further, can feel like a temporary relief, but in reality, it's often fueling a vicious cycle, making the problem worse over time. If left unaddressed, this insidious condition can lead to far more sinister consequences: chronic inflammation, painful ulcers, scar tissue that makes swallowing a nightmare, and even a significantly raised risk of throat cancer. The unseen war, decoding the silent symptoms. The burning sensation in your chest, especially when you lie down, is just the obvious tip of the iceberg. Acid reflux launches a silent, insidious war on your internal landscape. You might experience the unsettling sensation of a lump stuck in your throat, a persistent irritation that makes you constantly clear your voice. Sour-tasting stomach fluids, even undigested food, can backflow all the way into your mouth, leaving a truly unpleasant aftermath. These corrosive acids relentlessly inflame delicate tissues, making swallowing a painful ordeal. Many wake up with a chronic sore throat, a mysterious buildup of mucus, and an incessant need to cough or clear their throat throughout the day. These aren't just minor annoyances, they are urgent signals that your body's protective barriers are being breached and the damage is escalating. But what if there were natural powerhouses, long overlooked, that could not only soothe these symptoms but fundamentally rewrite your body's defense strategy? Unlocking nature's arsenal, the 5 pillars of permanent relief. Today, we're going to explore 5 remarkable vitamins, a term we'll use broadly to include essential minerals, ancient herbs, and powerful natural compounds. These aren't temporary fixes. They are foundational healers designed to restore your body's inherent balance and empower you to conquer acid reflux once and for all. Pillar 1. The Digestive Architect Betaine HCl. Imagine reigniting your stomach's primal power, bringing its digestive furnace back to full, optimal strength. That's precisely what Betaine HCl does. This isn't about adding acid where there's already too much. It's about correcting the fundamental pH imbalance that causes the LES valve to fail. When taken with pepsin, Betaine HCl effectively reacidifies your stomach, mimicking its natural acidic environment. This restored acidity sends a powerful signal to the LES valve, telling it to snap shut, sealing off your food pipe and preventing that painful reflux. Starting with 2 to 4 capsules of 1,300 milligrams Betaine HCl before a meal can begin to shift your stomach's pH. You might feel a gentle warmth, a sign that your digestive system is finally getting the acidity it needs. Over the course of a few weeks, as your stomach acid levels are gradually rebuilt, you'll not only digest food more efficiently, absorbing vital nutrients, but that crucial LES valve will regain its strength and function properly. It's a profound shift that addresses the very root of the problem. While Betaine HCl rebuilds the fortress from within, how do we immediately calm the relentless internal fire? Pillar 2. The Ancient Soother Ginger. For thousands of years, civilizations have turned to a humble root steeped in healing wisdom, ginger. When you feel that agonizing heartburn, especially at night when the pain seems to intensify, consider chewing on a fresh slice of ginger root. This ancient soother contains powerful phenolic compounds that instantly soothe and protect the delicate tissues lining your food pipe and stomach. They act as a balm, easing the inflammation caused by acidic irritation. Ginger has an almost magical ability to calm GI irritation, nausea, and indigestion, making it an invaluable tool for rapid relief. If chewing fresh ginger isn't your preference, dried ginger powder capsules, taken 1 to 2 after a meal, offer a convenient way to prevent reflux before it starts. And for a delicious, ongoing benefit, try shaving fresh, peeled ginger into your salads, stir-fries, or blend it into a spicy, refreshing drink with ice and cold water. It's a versatile ally in your fight against the burn. But calming the immediate symptoms is merely a stepping stone. We must cultivate a thriving, resilient internal landscape, starting with an army of microscopic allies. Pillar 3. The Gut's Unsung Heroes, Probiotics. Imagine a microscopic army working tirelessly within you, dictating far more than just digestion. These are your probiotics, live, friendly bacteria and yeasts residing primarily in your large intestine. Beyond breaking down food, these unsung heroes are instrumental in producing crucial neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, a vital component of what we call the gut-brain axis, often referred to as your second brain. This acetylcholine directly stimulates the nerves that control the opening and closing of that all-important LES valve above your stomach. A healthy, robust population of friendly microbes ensures that valve opens when you eat and, critically, closes tightly when you stop. If your gut is teeming with these beneficial microbes, you're far less likely to suffer from acid reflux, indigestion, ulcers, IBS, and even autoimmune diseases, because they keep your entire digestive system healthy and functioning harmoniously. Unfortunately, our modern lives often decimate these vital allies. Antibiotic drugs, many common medications, artificial sweeteners, and processed junk foods wipe out beneficial bacteria, leaving us vulnerable to acid reflux. The solution? Rebuild your internal ecosystem. Start incorporating fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and traditional pickles into your diet on a regular basis. These living foods are packed with diverse probiotics that not only heal your digestive system but profoundly improve your overall health. For a rapid boost, consider a high-quality liquid probiotic supplement, easily mixed into a glass of water. It's like sending in reinforcements for your internal army. And what if a common kitchen staple, often dismissed, held a surprising secret for harmonizing your entire digestive chemistry? Pillar 4. The pH Alchemist Apple Cider Vinegar. A seemingly ordinary liquid, yet capable of an astonishing internal transformation. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. This is perhaps the most well-known natural remedy for indigestion, heartburn, and a myriad of digestive woes. The key lies in its acetic acid content. Much like betaine HCl, organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, when mixed, just 1 tablespoon, into a tall glass of water and consumed with a straw before each meal, works wonders. It subtly helps to correct the pH of your stomach, guiding it back towards the optimal acidity it needs to properly digest foods and, crucially, to signal the LES valve to tighten and prevent reflux. Beyond its immediate impact on stomach pH, acetic acid is a type of short-chain fatty acid, SCFA, which provides vital energy to the cells lining your colon, enhancing your ability to digest foods and absorb essential vitamins and nutrients. Many find ACV to be the most simple and effective remedy. However, if your throat or food pipe is severely inflamed from chronic reflux, sipping diluted ACV might be too irritating initially. In such cases, 2 to 3 apple cider vinegar capsules before each meal offer the same benefits without the direct contact, allowing your tissues to heal. To truly secure permanent freedom, however, we must mend the very fabric of our digestive lining, often damaged by years of acidic assault. Pillar 5. The Cellular Healer, Zinc L-carnosine. Unveiling a remarkable Japanese innovation specifically designed to repair unseen internal wounds, zinc L-carnosine. Zinc is an indispensable mineral, crucial for healing and regenerating tissues throughout the body, especially the delicate epithelial cells that line your internal organs. Decades ago, Japanese researchers developed zinc L-carnosine, a chelated compound where zinc is bound to the dipeptide L-carnosine, creating a substance that has been used for over 30 years to successfully treat stomach ulcers. What makes it so powerful for acid reflux? It possesses a unique ability to regenerate and fortify the protective mucus barrier throughout your entire digestive tract, from your esophagus to your stomach and intestines. This renewed barrier acts as a shield, allowing damaged tissues to heal and repair themselves. Furthermore, zinc itself plays a vital role in preventing an overgrowth of harmful microbes like H. pylori in your stomach, another common underlying cause of reflux. You can typically take around 75 milligrams of zinc L-carnosine daily in supplement form. But remember, zinc is an essential mineral. Men need 11 milligrams, women 8 milligrams daily, so also prioritize getting it from nutrient-dense food sources like shellfish, grass-fed red meat, and pumpkin seeds. These 5 powerful allies are transformative. You've embarked on a journey today from chronic suffering to profound empowerment. Acid reflux doesn't have to be a life sentence of burning pain and constant discomfort. By understanding its true root causes and embracing these powerful, natural solutions, permanent relief isn't just a possibility, it's an achievable reality. By nurturing your body with the right nutrients, restoring optimal stomach acidity, and addressing core lifestyle factors, you can regain control of your digestive health, heal from within, and truly reclaim your digestive destiny. What are your experiences with acid reflux, and which of these natural strategies are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your journey to lasting wellness starts now. If you found this comprehensive guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based content. Share this video with anyone you know who's suffering from acid reflux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.